let's talk about Warren Buffett. He stays positive. He says, don't bet against the US economy. He gives the reasons. Now, not many people can duplicate what Warren Buffett has done. I mean, his father was in Congress, so I'm pretty sure he had some inside information. I'm not accusing the guy of anything. Congress people could trade on inside information up to just a few years ago. He's well connected and was well connected when he started. Networking is very important. So there are certain rules I watched about him, how he made the big money. He pays no dividends. He pays no cash flow. If you own Berkshire Hathaway, his shares, you have received zero cash flow from day one to today. But the shares keep increasing in price. His holding time is forever. When he buys, he goes off market. He doesn't buy like you and me, the shares on the market. He goes to the company itself. He even makes deals on the S&P 500 that you and I cannot do. He structures special deals when he makes the deals happen. In 2009, he did an option that is what's called leaps on more long-term options that are not available to any other buyer, not even other mutual funds. He did it because he's got billions parked. And how can he have billions parked? Because he pays no dividend. You give him the money and he parks it. He waits for a calamity to jump in. But what I like is he buys cash flowing assets, what's called productive assets. So that's, now I take his principles and apply them to real estate. I actually wrote a whole book that I have not published, and I may publish it when he passes away. And the book came out by me writing the principle, listening to him and seeing how it applies to commercial real estate. Because I as well buy properties for their future income stream. And my holding time is forever. However, when I have a chance for somebody making me a crazy offer, I sell and roll my money forward because I have the tax rules of real estate to my advantage in the United States. He doesn't have these rules in stocks. He's in the equities market, we're in the debt market. We can use 20% down, he has to pay all cash. We have huge advantages to listen to his principles and apply them. So you ask me, who is my financial expert? Warren Buffett. But I extract what I want. I make the juice, like this is a celery juice. Great, by the way. It's a moment here for our sponsor, celery juice. Anyway, and I take the best of it. I don't want the rest of it. I just throw it away. It won't apply to me. To the structures he does. I believe in structures in real estate. I say create a real estate fund. Others will invest with you, just like Warren Buffett. And then you go in and you have leverage. The bank gives you money. Then you have buildings that pay you the income. They pay the rent. The tenants pay the rent. The banks help you buy. You don't even have to manage directly. You can have people under you like Warren Buffett does. He buys the companies. He has a lot of Apple shares. He doesn't manage Apple. He doesn't even know how to use a computer, he said. Right? He looks for residual income that is going to keep coming, and he compounds his returns. I showed you last time, you invest in my fund or somebody invest in your fund if we helped you set up a fund. At 8%, people reinvest the money 10 years later, they're getting 12% because the compounding effect makes it like they got 12% a year. If they keep reinvesting with you for 20 years, it's like they got 18.7%. It's unbelievable. You beat Warren Buffett himself if you understand the formulas in real estate.